Don't know if you could hear me there, and there goes the tripod. Oh my god, Scott Brown here. In today's exciting episode, we're gonna make the best of a not so perfect situation. Today we go to Point Chev. Now, what's in Point Chev? Well, we did those doors a while back. The whole reason for going there in the first place is because there is a fascia soffit issue out the front. It's a little bit of a mess, and today we're going to try and tidy it up.
Needs a new roof, bro.
It does. So this is it here. So the fascia here isn't ideal, not ideal at all. But what they've done here is kind of interesting. This used to be an exposed rafter soffit. As you can see here, all of that was painted, and that's what you used to be able to see. And then someone put a soffit there later. We need to cover more than we need to remove. There's bird's nests and everything in there, which isn't good obviously, so we're going to go over the top of this fascia. But these soffits are at different levels, so we're going to start from the wall and go that way with the fascia we have, and then we'll get a wider fascia to cover this part. Let me try and explain what a fascia is meant to look like. Alright, the fascia is meant to be on the outside here. So when we build brand new houses, we have our rafter come right out like that, and then we frame like that, and then our fascia goes like this. So originally when they built this house, that was it. They painted this rafter, they closed this in, and yeah, they put the roof over the top. Done. But then they decided they wanted a soffit here. Their soffit was more like this. But they didn't want to put the fascia over there because then this overhang would be too short. So they put the fascia under the rafter, like that. And that's not good because then your gutter goes in there, you've got this gap here, and in this case that gap got bigger and bigger, and then this became a lovely bird's nest here. So what we want to do is we want to put the fascia out where it's meant to be. So we want this to look more like this. Alright, so I'll cut a little miter using the cordless Makita 36 volt. Well, I'll try to anyway. What do you reckon, buddy? That's pretty good. I want to do a review of this saw soon, so get some shots of it, you know, in action. Alright, Pato, this is a little bit difficult to film the fascia part here, so I've got an idea. That works, but we have to rip it. It's a bit too wide. So this is H3.1 timber, but it comes pre-primed for a reason. You have to seal it all. So it's treated, but it has to have a coat of paint on it. So we always paint the edges that we cut. That looks better. Need to put a little bit through there and then pop the soffit on. The other end needs a wider bit, which we don't have here. So I'm gonna have to go get. Should we get the soffit out of the car?
Oh, yeah.
So this new piece here is the same type of timber, it's just primed with a different color. And that's going to do that end.
Once again,
Pato's going to the shop, so after Smoko we'll put the soffit on around there, and I'll show you how we can continue to improve the rest of the fascia around the house, if they want.
something like that.
Yeah, perfect. What are you like?
Damn, it's $7.
So now you can go over that in the future. Don't know if you could hear me there, and there goes the tripod. So now we've sort of continued the way they're doing it, just on this last meter around this corner, just so this side's the same. If the owner wants to, we can cover this fascia the same way we've done it on the other side. So it's making the best of a not so good situation. Let's put the soffit up. Last little bit. Let's do it. Oh, we did it, Pato.
Looks good, eh?
Yeah,
Wow.
big improvement. So can you tell the soffits are different heights? That soffit there is different height to that one, and that's part of why we kept it how it was and did the timber same way they had the timber before. That's the nature of renovations, guys. Sometimes it's not very pretty, but it's still the same problem solving skills. See you guys in the next exciting episode. Peace out. Thanks for watching, guys. It's I haven't been able to do my videos because of my finger, which is kind of crazy to even say. But it's much better now, pretty much healed. And I've got a few video ideas and more videos on the way. So thanks for being patient, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next exciting episode.